Before we go to the next part of this exercise, let me explain to you a general quadratic equation. This is a general quadratic equation. So if I'm given to you here, in this case I'm given to you 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Here you will say your a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7, c equal to plus 3. If I'm given to you another equation, so here I have 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. In this case we will see that a equal to 2, the b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 4. For the next one, this is my general quadratic equation, and here I have 4x square plus 4 under root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Now in this case, this is my a, this is the b, 4 root 3, and this is c. For the next, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, general equation. And if I were to compare it with this one, I would say my a equal to 2, b equal to 1, c equal to 4. This is one thing you need to know. And the other thing that you need to know is to find the roots of quadratic equation by a formula. Now every quadratic equation has got two roots, and we call those roots as alpha and beta. And we can use a formula to directly find these roots, and the formula goes this way: minus b plus root over 2a, and your beta will be minus b minus root d over 2a. Now you'll probably wonder what is d. Now you find d by this method. You do d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So in the first step you find your d, b square minus 4ac, and then you substitute for alpha and for beta. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula. Now we know what's a quadratic formula. We have two roots, alpha, it is minus b plus root over 2a, and then we have beta, which is minus b minus root d over 2a. Now for the first sum, we write 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0, and we compare it with the general equation. So on comparing with the general equation, we have our a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7, c equal to plus 3. So the first step, our step 1 will be to find d, called the discriminant, and it is called d. Now we know the formula of d is b square minus 4ac. So your d will be b square, this is your b square minus 4, your a is 2, and your c is 3. So your d will be 49 minus 24. So your d will be 25, and we'll use this value a little later. So the value of alpha we saw was minus d plus root d over 2a. So let's substitute that. Alpha, we know our b is minus 7, so this will be minus of minus 7 plus under root. We know our d was 25 here we found, so this was 25 over 2a, 2, and our a was 2. So alpha is plus 7 plus 5 over 4. So alpha will be 12 over 4, and alpha will be 3. Now to go on to beta, so we know beta was minus b plus root d, not plus, it would be minus root d over 2a. Now put your values. So beta will minus of minus 7, because b is minus 7, minus root t, d is 25, 2a, 2 into a is 2. So beta is 7 minus 5 over 4. Beta is 2 over 4 and the beta is 1 by 2. So the roots in this case are 3, 1 by 2.